makes the standard a little bit higher. And we will use the sample standard deviation, which we will compute with our sample. We'll look at the t-distribution with n-1 degrees of freedom. And our rejection rules will be the same as with the z value, with the z test, the z table. And this just goes into the point that we discussed a couple times actually, that we could compute p-values when we're using a t-distribution, and you'll do that with your Excel work, and it would work exactly the same way, but just because there's not as much information on the t-table in your textbook, statisticians don't do that as commonly, and we won't do that in this class. Any questions? All right, I think you did great tonight. You should be proud of yourselves. I feel like we got off to a little bit of a confusing start. I'm sorry. I didn't let any of that confusion, but this stuff is just hard to learn. So we need to look at it one way, then look at it another way, and it'll start to sink in. And you should be happy to know that the next class is just a continuation of hypothesis testing. Except we will add proportions, mean differences, and proportion differences. Remember when we started with confidence intervals, we did means with a confidence interval, and then we said, well, let's do a proportion, and let's do a mean difference, and let's do a proportion difference. We're going to do the exact same thing in class 5. So it should be a good chance to ingrain hypothesis testing. And if we could, right, for just 1 second, hold on, just 1 second. We're going to do the exact same thing in class 5, where we'll be looking at that, but with the eye of hypothesis testing. And I'll also mention that class 5, I have a video of class 5 already on Blackboard.
Okay.
You might want to consider just glancing at that. Because it's one of those things where it's like, if you can like listen to it, pause it, and then think about it, it'll make more sense to you. And if you come in with just a little bit of understanding of it when we do this in class 5, I think it will help you.
Did you say that, so we're not meeting next week?
No, class 5 is 2 weeks from tonight. Yeah, we don't call weeks, we just call classes. This is class 4, class 5 will be 2 weeks from tonight. She'll be on holiday next week.
So we won't be.
The school is closed next week.
Yeah, I know, but I'm thinking.
It'll be on the syllabus. No, I won't tell you, just look on your calendar. Like Wednesday, 2 Wednesdays from today. Quiz is not due till for 2 weeks. But I would do it now. Do the quiz. Enjoy your break. Do the quiz now. Yeah. All right. Happy holiday. Look forward to seeing you.